Note taking is a crucial skill for students for all the ages. It helps you to remember the information better and have it available when you need it. But taking good notes requires more than just jotting down whatever the teacher says. You need to know how to prepare effective notes that will actually help you learn and remember the material. So, here are some tips to get you started. First is start with a clear goal in your mind. Before you even start taking notes, make sure you have a specific goal in mind. What do you want to remember? What do you want to be able to quote back to the teacher? You know what? When you have a goal in mind, it will be easier to focus on taking the notes that will help you achieve that goal. Now, second point is pay attention to the details. What do you mean by this? When you are taking notes, be sure to pay attention to the details. This means taking down everything that teacher says, not just the important points. This will help you to remember the information more and more better. Third is summarize what you have heard. Now, after you have taken down all the information, try to summarize it in your own words. This will help you to remember the information in a very better, and you will be able to quote it back to the teacher as well. Fourth point is organization is a key. You know what? If you are taking notes for the class, make sure that you have a system for organizing them. This will help you to keep track of what you have heard and to be able to find the information you need quickly. Fifth point is make use of the flashcards and the mind mapping. If you find that you are struggling to remember the information after the class, make use of the flashcards and mind mapping. This will help you to organize the information and make it easier for you to remember it. Next is get organized. Before you start taking notes, make sure that you are as organized as possible. This will help you to stay focused and to remember the information that you are taking down. Thanks for watching.